Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Scholarships Corner. In this video we will talk about Central European University Scholarship in Hungary 2021, fully funded, what documents required, where to submit. So before the detail, if you are new to this channel, don't forget subscribe my channel for more best opportunities like fully funded scholarships, free online courses, internships and more informative videos. Applications are open for the Central European University Scholarship in Hungary 2021. Top ranked University of Hungary. You can apply fully funded CEU Bachelor Scholarship, Master Degree Scholarships, Doctor's Degree Scholarship. All the expenses will be covered by the Central European University Hungary. Don't worry, you can choose from 50 degree programs offered in 15 academic areas. Central European University an international reputation for providing good quality of education program. Are you ready? There is no application fee required. Internationally recognized degree, low living cost, Schengen country, high visa success rate. Detail about Central European University Scholarship 2021. University for this scholarship Central European University. Cost level BS, MS, PhD degrees. Awarded fully funded. Deadline for apply this scholarship 1st February 2021 and 15 March 2021. If we talk about available fields of study for BS, MS and PhD, Department of Cognitive Science, Department of Economic Science, Department of Environmental and Policies, Department of Gender Studies and much more. If we talk about financially coverage, up to 100% of tuition fee, health insurance, monthly stipend to assist with housing and living cost, Master Excellence Scholarship €1,000 per month, Master Distinction Scholarship 750 per month, Doctor Scholarship €1,350 per month. If we talk about eligible criteria for this scholarship, applicants from all nationalities international except Europe are eligible to apply. Students must hold at least 12-year education for admission in undergraduate or bachelor degree. For master degree applicants, application must have at the undergraduate bachelor 16-year degree transcript or equivalent education for the admission requirements. Applicants must hold master and bachelor degree transcript total 18-year or equivalent education for PhD admission required. Language requirement. If you have a previous degree in English language, then you can be exempted and your English proficiency letter will be accepted. Required documents for this scholarship: CV, educational documents, letter of recommendation, statement of purpose, research proposal, graduate. Last date for apply this scholarship 1st February 2021 and 15th March 2021. So how to apply in this scholarship? Application process is online. Click on this link. After click on the link, you can see that the official website has been opened. Here you read more information about Central European University Scholarship. Click on this link. If you are new user, first you create your account. I have already made this account. Click on login. Scholarship application page has been opened. Click on start new application. Here find the program you are interested in. Use the search filter option below. For example, I wanna apply master program. Search department. Click on search now. Click on apply. This application is divided into 8 steps. The first is personal detail. Click on start application. In personal detail, you give name, date of birth, country of birth, city of birth, citizenship. The second is contact detail, in which you give address, city, postcode, country, email address. After providing all the information, you click on submit. If you want to apply in this scholarship, click on the link below the description. See you with the new video. Allah Hafiz.